hands-on programming example for Chapter 2 of Programming in Visual Basic 2010 by Bradley and Millspaugh. And this is R&R. This one's actually really tough. It doesn't exactly tell you. Grabbing the images for this one was very tough to find the correct directory. I had to actually just kind of hunt it down. It's very difficult. I hope somebody else reads this and or watches this and figures it out and tells me. Group box. You want to have a group box. Move it a little away from the border. And it's going to have 4 radio buttons in it. I don't know why it needs 4, because that's what it says. Just make it a little taller. There we go. Thank you. Not the easiest thing to work with. And then we have another group box. I'm going to throw it over here. Lengthen it maybe. This is just going to be approximate sizes. We want the functionality more than anything. Then you want a rich text box, this one right here. Drag it right there. Let's move it up a little bit. Doesn't have to be this large. It's probably just more like that. Even that. Then we're going to have a picture box. This thing right here. Gets real technical for some reason. It's difficult to do. Then you want to have a text box that shows some information, promotional details. I'm going to have 2 buttons here, or 3 buttons. And then up here, there's going to be 2 labels and 1 text box and 1 masked text box. Okay. So that's the general layout. Now we're going to have to name everything now. This is on page 91. We're going to name the main form R apostrophe N R dash dash for reading and refreshment. And then the accept button, we're going to have to do, why don't we do these sign-in buttons then? The button is going to say sign in. And the text is going to say sign in also. And then the start position. Oh wait. And then let's do the exit button. Exit. So now when we're doing this thing, we can put the accept button as the sign in button and the cancel button as the exit button. So that means enter will automatically do the sign in, and escape will automatically exit. ESC. And so we just have to name everything now. Not the funnest part, but very necessary. So this is the department group box. Department group box. It's going to display department. It's going to be disabled. In the beginning. Then we're going to have the radio button 1 be books. Radio button. Because I cannot spare some sympathy. My own feeling is mostly unclear. We wanted to say when I'm talking to you, I'm not books. I don't think I'll ever be ready for you, but I'll be trying to help you out too. And then we want this to say but I had no strength to not music. Yes, you were the flatulent one. And to name it music button, music radio button, and then we want radio button 3 to be called periodicals radio button, periodicals radio button, and then we want it to say we forgot the automatic music. It's going to actually be ampersand. Got to add the ampersands. This is coffee bar. Bar. We have coffee bar radio button. And then we have the sign in button. So we're done with page 91. 92 has the print button. Oops, I double clicked it. It's going to take me to the code. Not ready to do the code yet. So we just want to change it to print and change it to print button. I guess this could be ampersand sign in. P is ampersand print. Exit, I believe we put it on the X. And we forgot to put the checkbox. Should be right there. Okay, and the print button. We did the print button, we did the exit button earlier. Department picture box. So you want to call this department picture box. And it's not going to be visible. And the size mode is going to be stretch. And then we want to do the image visible. This is going to be a checkbox, so we're going to name the image visible checkbox. And the text is going to say image visible, and it's not going to be visible at first. False. And the promotion text box is not going to be visible either, although I don't know why. Check-in group box, and we have the check-in group box. The text is going to say elite member check-in. You're elite, Zor. You're part of this club, dude. Elite member check-in. Remember, your forms can also be elite. And then you want the name of it to be check-in group box. We're almost done here, sort of. And then this label is gonna say we don't need to change that. We can just change the text to name. This needs the ampersand. And then for this one, it will say member ID. And this one's called the name text box. We're almost done here. And this one will be called the member ID. Member ID masked text box. And you gotta remember to change the mask. This is one of the unique things to having this one, is that you can change the mask to this data form, to 0 to 5-digit data form. Just 5 numbers. Just want you to learn to use that mask. And then we are pretty much done, I believe, with naming everything. So we can also add the print form. We can also add the tooltip. Adds it down here, and the print form. And then we want to save somewhere. I'm saving to my desktop, save all.